This is a 2008 BMW 335. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and a manual transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a cold weather package, a low tire pressure indicator, Dakota leather upholstery, a multi-link rear suspension, the Sport Package, direct injection, cornering lights, alloy wheels, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. The following features are also included: BMW Assist, Comfort Access, a rear window defroster, BMW individual composition, side curtain airbags, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, a traction control system, memory settings for the side view mirrors, and this vehicle has fewer than 58,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle is clearly a fuel-efficient choice. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
At Sewell, our obsession with service extends to all of our customers, including pre-owned. Buying a pre-owned from Sewell means complimentary loan cars and washes for the life of your vehicle come standard. Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.